Hey, Moto Market Explorers! Welcome back to the channel where we dig up the coolest, craziest, and most unique motorcycles on the market. Whether you're a vintage bike lover or just someone who appreciates a good two-wheeled machine, you're in for a treat. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share this video with your fellow riders before we jump into today's insane lineup. Number 1. 1958 Chang, $9,500. This 1958 Chang, located in Henderson, Nevada, is listed for $9,500 and has 5,000 miles on the odometer. The motorcycle has been well maintained, featuring new tires, ignition, battery, and carburetors, ensuring it runs smoothly. Known for its vintage style, the Chang motorcycle closely resembles classic BMW models, a reflection of their shared history. These bikes are highly regarded for their durability and timeless design. With a clean title and the seller open to trades, this rare piece could be a fantastic addition to any vintage motorcycle collection. Number 2, 1968 Yamaha Trailmaster YG5T, $4,450. Located in Scottsdale, Arizona, this 1968 Yamaha Trailmaster YG5T is listed for $4,450. With just 3,259 miles, the bike remains in original condition, including its factory paint. The Trailmaster series was highly regarded for its lightweight build and off-road performance, making it a popular choice among trail riders in the 1960s. This two-stroke motorcycle offers a nostalgic ride, appealing to Yamaha fans and collectors alike. Ready to hit the trails or roads, this vintage machine is a fantastic find for those seeking a well-preserved classic. Number 3, 1965 BSA Lightning Rocket, $3,000. Located in Danville, California, this 1965 BSA Lightning Rocket is available for $3,000. With just 2,200 miles, the bike is in running condition, starting and stopping smoothly. Known for its high-performance capabilities, the Lightning Rocket was a standout road bike during the mid-1960s, blending speed with stylish British engineering. It quickly became an iconic model for its sleek design and powerful parallel twin engine. For collectors and enthusiasts, this vintage motorcycle offers a unique opportunity to own a piece of motorcycling history that embodies the craftsmanship and performance of the era. Number 4, 1965 Triumph T100 SC Competition Scrambler, $5,500. Located in San Mateo, California, this 1965 Triumph T100 SC Competition Scrambler is listed for $5,500. With fewer than 1,000 miles since its rebuild by Raybers, this bike is a rare gem. The T100 SC was Triumph's hot rod scrambler, designed specifically for off-road competition and renowned for its power, agility, and robust handling. Featuring matching frame and engine numbers, this particular model is highly sought after by vintage motorcycle collectors. Fully registered with a clean title, it presents a unique opportunity to own a piece of Triumph's storied off-road legacy. Number 5, 1973 Yamaha GT80, $1,400. Located in Concord, California, this 1973 Yamaha GT80 is listed for $1,900. This two-stroke bike features a 4-speed transmission and runs great, having recently undergone a carburetor rebuild as well as receiving a new seat cover and battery. While not a show bike, the Yamaha GT80 is a fun and reliable option for casual rides or teaching young riders. The small size and lightweight build make it easy to handle, adding to its appeal as a nostalgic trail or beginner bike. Though the seller does not have a title, a bill of sale will be provided. Number 6, 1971 Suzuki TS, $1,000. This 1971 Suzuki TS, located in Newport Beach, California, is priced at $1,000. With 6,969 miles on the odometer, this two-stroke bike is a fun vintage off-road machine. Recent work includes new tires, a new spark plug, a fresh battery, and a rebuilt carburetor, offering a solid base for someone looking for a project bike with minimal investment. The Suzuki TS series was well regarded for its rugged performance and lightweight design, making it ideal for trail riding. With a bit of tuning, this bike could be ready for some fun off-road adventures. Number 7, 1960 Cushman Mustang Stallion, $4,500. This 1960 Cushman Mustang Stallion, located in Casa Grande, Arizona, is priced at $4,500. Recently fully rebuilt, this classic scooter will need a tune-up due to being stored for a period. The Cushman Mustang Stallion was known for its sturdy build, compact size, and reliable performance, making it a favorite among collectors and scooter enthusiasts. The seller is also offering additional parts and another scooter, though no title is provided. This makes it a fantastic opportunity for a restoration project or for someone looking to enhance their collection of vintage American scooters. Number 8, 1951 BMW R25, $9,975. This 1951 BMW R25, located in Half Moon Bay, California, is priced at $9,975. With only 300 miles since a nearly complete renovation, this vintage BMW has been restored with new tires, transmission, lights, and cables. The R25 is a single-cylinder classic that has earned a reputation for its timeless design and superior German engineering. This model is a prized collector's item, ideal for serious vintage BMW enthusiasts seeking a meticulously restored piece of history. The seller is open to inquiries from serious buyers, emphasizing the bike's value as a collector's jewel. Number 9, 1956 BSA Road Rocket, $5,995. Located in Mesa, Arizona, this 1956 BSA Road Rocket, the Road Rocket is listed for $5,995. As a project bike, it's already undergone significant restoration, including a rebuilt engine and transmission. The Road Rocket was BSA's flagship high-performance model in the 1950s, renowned for its speed and agility on the road. This sale includes extra parts and repair manuals, making it a fantastic opportunity for a BSA enthusiast looking to complete the restoration of this rare and iconic British motorcycle. With some final touches, this Road Rocket could once again reach its legendary potential. Number 10, 1960 Harley-Davidson FL, $10,000. This 1960 Harley-Davidson FL Panhead, located in State Line, Nevada, is listed for $10,000. As a project bike with a special construction title, it presents a unique opportunity for Harley-Davidson collectors and enthusiasts. The Panhead engine is celebrated for its durability and classic styling, making this project especially appealing for those looking to restore a piece of Harley history. Whether for riding or showcasing, this FL has the potential to be a standout addition to any collection once restored. That's it for today's lineup, Moto Market Explorers. If any of these bikes caught your eye, let us know in the comments. Remember, these deals won't last long, so act fast if you're interested. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow bike enthusiasts. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.